Welcome back. We're going to show you the other type of hot box that we have in the kitchen. Okay, this is just a straight out rectangular hot box. Okay? Slightly different purpose. Okay? And this is for smaller amounts of food, number one, and just a different type of storage. Okay, so what we'll see here, if you have a look down the sides, is slightly indented. This allows you to put your fingers down the side and put the pans in and out. So whenever we want to put a pan in, all we simply do, okay, we don't just drop it in, we actually put the pan in down like that, and we just let it slide down. Now if you want to put another pan on top of it, okay, so if you want to put another pan on top of it, we get a shallow pan or a biscuit tray, we turn it upside down, and put it on top of that, okay, and then we can put another pan on top. So as you can see, this will comfortably take 2 Gastronorm pans. Remembering that once you put a lid in anything in the Gastronorm pans, okay, it will create a lot of steam and it will not allow the food to stay crunchy. So if you want the food to stay crunchy, don't use this box. To close it, well, just make sure that the corners are closed down. Okay, and to open it, same process, lift one corner, then the second corner, and then the back two. Easy as that. As you can see, it allows me to put my fingers down the side and lift the pan out. Cleaning this hot box is a lot easier than doing the vertical one, okay, because there's no ridges or anything like that. Once again, we wash it out with detergent, hot soapy water, very, very important, and don't forget, it's not sanitized until we sanitize it properly. And we use our sanitizing bottle again, and very simply again, it's just a matter of just a very light spray on the inside. It does not need a lot. Okay, and then we just wipe it out. Oh, sorry. Okay, so what we do, we just wipe it out with our cloth. Okay, making sure we're just getting the corners properly. Okay, so to store these boxes, okay, we don't actually cover the lid. We put these lids on sideways, and that's how they get stored. It allows the air to get to it at all times. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, okay, don't leave the kitchen the way you found it. Leave the kitchen the way you'd like to find it. Thank you.